I have someone do it versus I get someone to do it. One sounds like you're the boss. The other sounds like you're begging. I have someone do something implies authority, routine, or it's already arranged. Like, I have my assistant handle emails. Translation, it's her job, it's expected, and I'm in charge here. I get someone to do something means you convinced them, persuaded them, or worked for it. Like when I say, I got my brother to help me with my homework. It means I had to ask him, maybe beg, and definitely negotiate. So when you say, I have my mom cook dinner, it sounds like your mom is your personal chef. But I got my mom to cook dinner means you asked your mom nicely, she agreed, and everyone's happy. See the difference? One makes you sound entitled, the other makes you sound human. I broke down all the causative chaos, when to use have, get, and why it matters in my full video. Go watch it before you accidentally insult someone's mom.